Welcome to Judge Echo, where we uncover the most shocking legal battles currently sweeping the USA. Subscribe Judge Echo for daily courtroom update.
Psst. The intern showed up again.
You're all set, Your Honor.
Thank you. Court does call the case of the People versus Jerome Gibbons.
Mr. Gibbons, state your name.
Gibbons.
Teresa Clare on behalf of probation. Your Honor, Mr. Gibbons is before the court for a violation of probation hearing. Mr. Gibbons has corrected some of the items since I have provided a recommendation to the court. He has completed and provided proof of his behavior modification class. And he's also provided proof that he's going to be starting employment. I did have a long conversation with him. He has now just remaining the balance of the 475. Given that he's completed the programming components of the sentence and did get back in contact with probation. At this time, probation is asking that the court adjourn the violation of probation hearing to June 12th to allow Mr. Gibbons to pay the balance. If he gets that balance paid within the next couple of weeks, as he's promised me he will, then probation would then cancel the deal.
Anything you want to say?
It is money day, sir. So you already talked to me last time I came. I already know what's expected.
Do what? I talked to you? What did I tell you last time?
That you got your money.
What?
You know what's expected. I know what's expected.
I told you that? Did I?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you did, Your Honor.
Were you listening?
Yes, sir.
So let me get this right. 65, that's 60, 57. So I was going to give him 357 more days in jail.
I went over that with him, Your Honor, and he got me the stuff that I needed as far as the programming.
I don't get to do that?
I think that he totally believes that that would have happened.
Do you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So tell me why I shouldn't do it anyway. I'll wait for an answer.
Sir, keep us up in this, sir. Make sure I'll get it done because I want to know your time, sir. I'll pay you, man. Down.
Messing up my day. I was reading through these recommendations and I said, Gibbons. And I said, I get to give him all this time. It was actually going to bring me great joy. And then you finally went out and did what you should do. Why did it take all of this?
Sir, I was moving in between jobs and just placement at home. It's like
Life? Oh, is that what that? Oh. Life got in the way. And I almost did 357 days for that. Yeah, it didn't get that much right. Okay. Somehow or another you figured it out.
sir.
The last time you came in here, you thought I was playing around, right? Well, after we talked, you did. But before that, no.
Actually, you said some other stuff.
I said some nice things about you. It doesn't sound like me. All right, young man, get this last part done so you can do this. So I'll order 365 days in jail. Credit 8 served. I will suspend the balance at this time. You never had anybody say yes sir that much. Anyway, he completed the he completed everything, right?
Yeah, except for the money, Your Honor. So can we just adjourn this to?
Yeah, I will. So then what I'll do is I didn't tell you to leave yet. I'll adjourn it June 12th, 2024, 9 a.m. Now you may leave. He had a bounce in his step. He is so happy to be leaving. Oh, who's the young lady? Hi. Did you want him back? I mean, I can keep him. Oh, uh-oh. Uh-oh. See, if I had known that before, I would have kept you. All right, you two take care of each other. Court calls case People versus Tanya Jimmers. Thank you for showing up. All right. Go.
They're on top of probation. Your Honor, Ms. Jimerson is before the court for violation of hearing cases. Since I have provided the recommendation to the court, I did have a chance to talk further with Ms. Jimerson. Ms. Jimerson just did start a job. She's completed all other terms accepting the money. I've been trying to work with her with that. She doesn't have the $50 on each case that I recommended today, but she indicates that she can pay that by this Friday. She'll get her check tomorrow.
Well, let me ask you this. So she's done everything except that.
It's the money, Your Honor,
Okay.
with both. And in both cases, I was asked to suspend her probation to give her a chance to do that on each case, so she can get things with an extension of 4 months on each case.
That is what we discussed, Your Honor. Ms. Jimerson did represent to me that she would have the money by the end of this week to pay, and I do know she is in compliance otherwise outside of financial obligations. So we are asking that the court adopt probation's recommendation.
Your Honor, I will share with the court. Ms. Jimerson can talk to you about it further. Ms. Jimerson has been experiencing issues with homelessness. So that's part of the struggle. I think that she's been staying with friends, but she has got herself working finally. So I would just like the court to be aware of that.
Ms. Jimerson, anything you want to tell me?
Hold on, but I'm trying.
You're
And I know I was in your courtroom last month with this kind of situation. So I'm trying. I had to change my job.
Oh, because of that situation? Okay. And Ms. Polaris said you've been experiencing years homelessness. What happened?
So I still live where I stay right now, but it's very tough because of the job situation. The reason I was in your court last time, that's another situation.
These were just her probation things, right? It's a straight probation.
Yes.
And you can pay what? And you're keeping your rent straight? Are you sure? Why do I not believe you?
Yes, no, I'm being honest.
On both of these cases, here's what we'll do, Ms. Jimerson. You show back up here, then I'll remember this, but I'm going to waive all the remaining fines and costs of discharge her from probation. Pardon? I know you do. Take care.